Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yep, we finally got that shielding out. So now we can start pulling the wiring out. Multiple times later. Let's see how we do. Come on, come on. Get out the hole, get out the hole. Okay, you're disconnected. Hell, I cut 95% of you. Okay, let's try this. Oh, God, don't get old, people. Cancel your subscription now while you're young and beautiful. Okay, here we go. And yes, we've kind of started on this one. It's so pretty. Sorry, I had to add that in there. It's a Superleggera Lancia. And what is it? Caruso Touring Murano. Such a pretty car. Yes, here's the shielding, which is an absolute nightmare to get out. Absolute pain in the butt. Okay, let's see where we're at. What are we catching on? Okay. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Run, Forrest, run. Or no, was that Adam Sandler? I don't remember. See what happens when you get old? You forget things. And, come on. Work with me, come on. Work with me. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? That's it. The wiring has left the building. Okay, maybe not. What did I forget? And here we go again. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, sorry about the wait. Got a phone call I had to take. Sorry, guys. So, we'll slide back onto the car again. Figure out what we didn't disconnect. One must stay clean while working on a car. Okay, here we go. And then I'm gonna have to sweep and clean and dust. Oh my God, I sound so gay. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay, what do we got? All right, so that's for the antenna. That has to stay. Here, sorry guys, I wasn't showing you, my apologies. This is the antenna line. That has to stay. So we've got to get, what else is hooked up? Or is it just caught on something? Ah, there we go. Okay, we're getting it. Okay, there's the other half of the antenna line. So we are going to, here's the other half of the antenna line. We're going to cut this grommet off so we can pull the rest of the wiring harness out. And then we shall be good to go to start rewiring. Sweet! Okay, guys. Sorry, this one's so short. I'll be back. And we're back, guys. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. God, it's so dirty under here. You guys saw it first. My OnlyFans doesn't like it when I do that. Bump. Okay, we're going to cut that so that we can pull the antenna line off of it and then finish pulling the wiring out of the car. So I will be right back.